Adolescent. Meaning. Adolescent refers to a young person in the stage of development between childhood and adulthood, typically aged 10-19. Definition. Adolescent is both a noun and an adjective. As a noun, it means a teenager or young individual. As an adjective, it describes something related to this age group. Examples in sentences. 1. The adolescent struggled to balance school and social life during their teenage years. Here, adolescent refers to a young person navigating challenges of growing up. 2. Adolescent behavior often reflects a search for identity and independence. In this sentence, adolescent describes behaviors typical of teenagers. Usage. Adolescent is used to describe individuals in the transitional age group or their characteristics, behaviors, or experiences.
English practice.